let us study about the different types of crops. First, we will study that what are crops. Crops क्या होती हैं? Crops are the plants that are grown on a large area of land. जब same type of plant जो है वो एक काफी large area of land पे grow किया जाता है, that is known as crops. Crops को human beings grow करते हैं to get food, fodder, timber, flowers and many other things. More than 2000 plant species are there which can be consumed by human beings. जिसको हम consume कर सकते हैं वो 2000 से भी ज़्यादा plant species है. And वो plant species जो हम consume कर सकते हैं, those species are known as the edible plants. What they are termed as? Edible plants. Edible means that we can consume and that are not poisonous for human beings. So before studying about cereals, let us first study about seeds. There are many seeds. हमें बहुत सारे seeds जो हैं वो plants में मिलते हैं, but not all the seeds are edible. सारे seeds जो हैं वो edible नहीं होते हैं, हम उनको consume नहीं कर सकते हैं. For example, if we talk about the large seeds of lemon, then these large huge size seeds of lemon can cause a choking hazard. हमें choking hazard का क्या है यहाँ पे chances रहते हैं. And if we talk about the seeds that are found in apple and cherries, apple and cherries के seed भी जो हैं हम वो consume नहीं कर सकते हैं because they contain a poison that is known as cyanide and which can be harmful for us. So therefore वो seeds जिनको हम consume कर सकते हैं, those seeds are known as edible seeds. अब edible seeds के examples होते हैं cereals, pulses, nuts and oil seeds. If we talk about cereals, अगर हम cereals की बात करते हैं तो these are the crops which include wheat, rice, maize, ज्वार, बाजरा, etc. And these cereals are basically the major source of the nutrient that is known as carbohydrate. So the next edible seeds that we can consume are the pulses. Pulses are the legumes that include pea, black gram, green gram, chicken pea and many more. These pulses are the excellent source of proteins. If we talk about the nutrient that is rich in these pulses, that is proteins. Proteins are basically required for our development, for growth and development. They help to build our muscular mass and even they are helpful for us in disease conditions also. Next are the oil seeds. Oil seeds contain cottonseed, flax, groundnut, safflower, sesame that we can actually consume. These are the edible seeds that we can consume. These oil seeds are basically a source of fats, oils and fatty acids. When consumed in moderation, जब हम इनको एक moderate amount में consume करते हैं तो these seeds are considered as healthy foods because they are high in unsaturated fatty acids. क्योंकि ये सीड्स अनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड्स के कंटेंट में हाई होते हैं तो अगर हम इनको एक प्रॉपर अमाउंट में कंज्यूम करेंगे तो हम इनको हेल्दी सीड्स में काउंट करते हैं. एंड इवन यू कैन ऑल्सो सी दैट कोकोनट ऑयल, ग्राउंडनट ऑयल, ये जो ऑयल है वी आर यूजिंग दीज ऑयल्स इन कुकिंग ऑल्सो. So the next type of seeds that we can consume are the nuts. The example of nuts include almond, walnut, cashew nut, groundnut, pistachio and raisins. So these nuts are also a rich source of proteins and fatty acids. Proteins और fatty acids जो हैं इसमें हमें high amount में मिलते हैं and that's why these nuts are also known as energy giving items. और we can also term as energetic items. इसीलिए nuts जो हैं इनको healthy consider किया जाता है और ये हमें एक moderate amount में consume करने चाहिए in our daily diet. So the next type of crop that we consume are the fruits. Fruits are actually the ripened ovary of the plants, and these fruits are rich in proteins, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, fats and roughage. Examples of fruit include apple, orange, mango, watermelon, muskmelon, etc. Next type of crop that we consume are the vegetables. Vegetables are the edible parts of herbaceous plants, and these vegetables we consume either in raw form or we consume these vegetables in cooked form. The examples of vegetable that we consume are potato, which is considered as a stem, carrot, that is a root, and spinach, that is a leafy vegetable. So these vegetables are also containing essential nutrients, vitamins and minerals that are required for our body and proper growth and development of a human being. Next are the spices. So there are certain parts of the plant that are basically used to enhance the palatability of our food, and these are known as spices. So spices that we use in our meals are chili, turmeric, cumin, fennel seeds and many more. Further are the fodder crops. These fodder crops, they provide green fodder to cattle, and the examples of fodder crop include oat, sorghum and many more. The last are the other crops. These crops, there are certain crops that are actually useful because they yield fibers, and the examples are cotton, tea, coffee and peppermint.